We have a new product from Tonor. It's called the TC310 USB condenser mic kit. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, first we have the English manual, and then we have the microphone. There you go. Let's see. Let's check it out. This is the customized mic screen with the brand Tonor there. And then the built-in shock mount with red rubber. And then of course your heavy-duty desktop stand. Here it is. Which you can also remove if you want to place this mic in any boom arm. The size is 5/8 size, so make sure you have an adapter when you plan to put this in a boom arm. So here you go. Let's make it stand a little bit. Yan. And this mic stand is not an ordinary mic stand. See, it's really heavy. It's really thick. There. Very stable. And of course, lastly, you will have your USB to USB-C cable, which you need to connect to your computer. But if you plan to connect this one with your cell phone, you will need an OTG adapter. Okay, in the next video, we will do a little demonstration of this microphone, how it sounds, and we'll talk about the quick features of this mic. Okay, for this demonstration, right now we'll just use the Tonor T90 boom kit. So what we did right now is we connected the microphone to my phone via OTG adapter. It has 6 different colors, so you can actually pick the color you like. So let's do it. Dito sa button here, check it out. So this is the automatic changing mode, and then you just have to press this button here, yung may sun button, so you can change the color here. Ayan. So ito siya, green, and then the blue, turquoise blue, and then the regular blue, the pink, orange, yellow, and green, and then back to automatic color changing mode. On top of that, this knob over here, tingnan natin tong knob na to. This is the knob below. Ito yon. You can actually control the brightness of the light. So ito yung pinaka mababa. There you go. So pwede mong, kung masyado kang nasisilaw, pwede mo siyang babaan. Kung nakukulangan ka sa light, gusto mo matingkad, pwede mong taasan. And then of course, you will have the mute button here, soft touch. So kung kailangan mo mabilisan i-mute, just press this one. And then you can tap it again para ma-unmute. Ngayon, regarding the diaphragm of this microphone, it's 14mm large diaphragm microphone, cardioid polar pattern, and it has a noise reduction chip. So take note, it's just a noise reduction, meaning it will reduce, not totally eliminate. So always remember na if medyo maingay, babaan nyo lang yung volume ng mic. By the way, the volume of the microphone is located here. So ito nga, try natin i-change. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then ito yung pinaka malakas. So there you go. Let's go here. Once again, this is the Tonor TC310 RGB USB mic. It's already available in the link provided below. Please like and subscribe. If you have questions, you can post it and we'll try to answer each and every one. Thank you and bye-bye.